Ever wondered what doing 30 push-ups a day for a month could do for your body? Join me on a journey through my 30-day push-up challenge and discover the surprising results. For the past month, I committed to a daily regimen of 30 push-ups. What started as a personal challenge quickly turned into an eye-opening experience that transformed not just my physical strength, but also my mindset and daily routine. Here's a detailed account of what I learned from this simple, effective exercise experiment. Physical transformation. Initially, the challenge seemed daunting. 30 push-ups daily sounded easy on paper, but the first few days were a struggle. However, as I persisted, I noticed gradual improvements. My upper body strength increased noticeably, especially in my chest, shoulders, and arms. Pushing through each set became easier, and by the end of the month, I could perform the push-ups with better form and greater ease. Mental endurance. Beyond the physical benefits, the challenge tested my mental endurance. Committing to a daily routine, no matter how short, instilled discipline and resilience. Even on days when motivation waned, completing those 30 push-ups became a non-negotiable part of my day. This newfound discipline spilled over into other areas of my life, boosting my productivity and focus. Health and energy levels. One of the most surprising outcomes was the impact on my overall energy levels. Regular exercise, even in small doses, increased my energy throughout the day. I felt more awake and alert, which translated into better performance at work and improved mood overall. Additionally, my sleep quality improved, and I woke up feeling more refreshed each morning. Routine and habit formation. Consistency was key to the success of this challenge. Over the course of the month, what started as a conscious effort evolved into a daily habit. Setting aside a few minutes each day for physical activity became second nature. This experience highlighted the power of small, consistent actions in achieving long-term goals. In conclusion, the 30-day push-up challenge taught me valuable lessons about perseverance, physical fitness, and the importance of daily habits. What began as a personal experiment transformed into a journey of self-discovery and improvement. Whether you're looking to enhance your physical strength, boost mental resilience, or simply adopt a healthier routine, incorporating a small daily exercise like push-ups can make a significant difference. Join me in taking that first step towards a healthier, stronger you. Takeaway. If there's one thing I learned from this challenge, it's that small, consistent efforts can lead to remarkable changes over time. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or someone looking to start a new habit, consider adding a daily exercise routine like push-ups into your schedule. You might be surprised by the positive impact it can have on your body, mind, and overall well-being.